Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Thursday, February 9th, 8 o'clock in the morning here in the Boston area, and it's beginning. So it's supposed to snow all day. It looks like it's that small pellet-sized snow. Get some wind gusts here. And it's supposed to snow all day, and at times I think we're supposed to get up to an inch an hour. So the last I heard, the forecast was for 12 to 18 inches, depending on where a heavy band of snow might set up. But at least it's that light snow, and hopefully the snow blower will make this an easier job than it would have been. The only problem is we have some good wind gusts here, and the snow is probably going to be drifting a lot. But we'll see through the course of the day how this snowstorm progresses. I think that bird feeder is going to be the center of activity today. Although it's been kind of quiet around here. I think a hawk might have had a successful meal recently, because it was pretty quiet yesterday too. Usually that's what happens, and then I don't know if they have a short memory span or something, but the birds lay low and then gradually the activity picks up again. You can see there's some doves hanging out. Okay, it's 1 o'clock and it's really starting to pick up. Oh, it's getting really windy. And I was just looking at the weather radar, and there's a dark band of blue approaching. But right now, we really don't have that much. I think we've got less than 6 inches. But if we start getting like 2 inches an hour, and it's supposed to go past 6 o'clock, then maybe we'll get close to 15. I don't know. Doesn't look like it now. It's not even over the raised beds there. The boards for the raised beds. And the temperature really dropped. It was snowing this morning, but the weather was saying it was, online it was saying it was 36 degrees in my area. Now it's 27. So that's 27 Fahrenheit. Plows are trying to keep up. But with that wind chill, it's cold out. That was snow thunder. Wow. Maybe that blue band is closer than I thought it was. Now the wind's picking up. Good thing I had the camera on, just recorded some snow thunder. Oh, here comes the wind.